The sun is shining. The sand feels warm. Tiny eggs are hatching on the beach. Hello, Tito. Hello, Lulu. Hello, Bobo. It's time to go to the sea. Tito runs across the sand. He's fast. But wait, a crab is in the way. Excuse me, Mr. Crab, may I pass? Sure, little turtle, just be careful. Lulu sees something shiny. It's a shell shaped like a slide. She climbs up and slides down. Whee! That was fun. Bobo moves slowly, step by step. He's not fast, but he keeps going. I'm steady. I can do it. Slow and strong wins the race. Suddenly, big waves crash on the shore. A whale appears with a big smile. Hop on, little ones. Let's go swimming. Thank you, Mr. Whale. The turtles reach the ocean and jump in. Splash! They made it. We did it! We're home! They all won, because they never gave up.